The Yellow Faced Bumble Bee is a species native to the west coast of North America, where it is distributed from British Columbia to Baja California. It is one of the most abundant species of bee in this range and can be found in both urban and agricultural areas. The Yellow-faced bumblebee has a number of distinctive features. This includes short even hair, a round angle of the middle leg, and a square face. Additionally, the fringe of hairs on its hind legs forms a pollen basket. Queens are between 18 and 21 millimeters long, workers are between 8 and 17 millimeters long, and males are between 10 and 15 millimeters long. Queens, workers, and males all have medium-length antennas, similar shaped bodies, and eyes. They are patterned with black and yellow hairs. The queen and female workers are almost always identical in coloring. They have almost an entirely black thorax and stripes of yellow at the head and the T4 segment of the thorax. Male drones mostly look similar to the female counterparts, but in some cases have more yellow on the sides. The overwintering queen first appears in early spring, establishing an underground colony, typically some sort of a rodent burrow or other natural hole, dirt, and wood. Upon discovering a nestable area, the queen will lay eggs and begin incubation. The yellow-faced bumblebee is an extremely important pollinator for commercial agriculture. The yellow-faced bumblebee pollinates greenhouse tomatoes more efficiently than humans can by hand on several measures, including fruit weight, height, minimum and maximum diameter, the seed count. Bee pollinated fruits are significantly of higher quality.